Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will look at the newest feature that we have from Tableau. Inside Tableau Server 2019.1, one of the coolest feature that is integrated till the date, which is called as Ask Data. Then we have Export as PPT, and there are many more features that we have. In this video, let's talk about Ask Data over here from Tableau 2019.1. You can directly type your question and you can get started with any problem that you want to solve. You don't need to have any understanding over data, anything. It's you as a normal guy who know about how to write your questions over here. And if you want to search something, you will get the results over here. So that will be a very quick idea behind this feature. Even the business user can use this feature as is. So that's very amazing feature that we have. Let's quickly jump into Tableau Server over here. So now over here on my screen, we have Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, both are running. I'll just quickly start my Tableau desktop over here so that we can quickly share something over here on the Tableau server and we can get started with Ask Data. So I'll just quickly show you whole flow over here, how to achieve the whole hands-on over here. And we will use one of the inbuilt dataset that we have. So I'll just use sample superstore dataset over here. We will quickly do a sign in. We can see we are already signed into Tableau server. I'll click over here and I will say publish this data source to a Tableau server. So this can be possible over server only. It's not possible over here in the desktop. We can select any of these. I'll select Tableau sample project. We will select the name of the file that we want. And let's keep everything as is. And let's go ahead with the default settings. Okay, so we can see over here, we have successful publishing of data source over here. So Tableau's AI ML is running at the backend to get all the details behind the picture. We can see, so we need to wait over here till this analyzing data that completes over here. Once that is complete, we can go ahead and we can just get started with the questions that we have. You can see over here in the left hand side, dimensions or measures are automatically calculated over here. You can hover over and you can see more detail about those, like which are the categories that we have, what kind of data we have, all the details behind that dimension and also measure. So that's perfect thing that we have over here, and we can see over here that analysis is complete. Now we can get started over here with any question that you have. So you can quickly type anything and you can just get started. And that can be possible over here if you have any published data source, that is also possible. So I will just quickly get started with this example and then I will show you if you have any other data source which is published over here on a Tableau server, you can get quickly started with that. Okay. So let's ask simple question over here to this Tableau's backend. Let's say total sales I want to see. Let's see what will be the output of this. Okay, cool. We can see over here the total sales is this much value that we have for whole superstore. We are connected to the transactional data for one of the largest superstore. That's the dummy superstore that we have, and we have transactional level data. We can see over here a quick total sales value that we have. So we understood that. And then now let's add some values over here. Like let's add some complexity over here. So I'll just say again, total sales by category. Let's say how the output look like. Okay, let's go with this. Perfect. So this is working perfectly over here. And now once we have the more categories and dimension and measures over here, we get this option over here. So we can visualize this in different ways. It's up to us how we want to represent, and that will be specifically to your visualization that will appear over here. If your data supports mapping, then automatically that will come over here. Now let's close this again and let's add some more elements into this. So I'll just again say total sales by category. Let's drill down further and let's see how Tableau handles multiple parameters over here. So I'll say for West region, let me see if this works. Okay, let's add over here. Perfect. So we can see over here the total sales dropped over here for each category, and we can see only we are looking at over here the sales for product categories. Those are from West region. So that's what we are getting over here. It's working till the two parameter that we have passed. So I'm just pretty excited over here to see what can be possible next. So we have this query over here, total sales by category for West region. Let's further drill down and let me see in 2018. That's working smoothly. So we can see over here now our data dropped again the numbers because we have selected only 2018 over here. That's amazing feature. And it is working seamlessly over here. And again, we have features to save as. some of the feature as Tableau desktop over here. So if I like this feature, if I like this visual, I can directly save as. That will give me opportunity to save this whole workbook, and I don't need to spend more time over here to go over again to create those charts and those things. I just want to test this further. Let me just see what else can be possible. So I'll just add over here in 2018. I just thinking that what complexity we can add. Okay, let's see. Shipped on same day. So this is like shipping mode that we have. Let me just try if that will be accepted over here. So there are like very high level drill down that we are doing in the data, perfectly working over here. We can see over here the results as expected over here from Tableau. Amazingly fast. If I compare this with Power BI's QA feature, this is amazingly fast. So very impressed with Tableau's Ask data. I've drilled down to the most granularity over here with multiple filters, multiple like dimension and measures that we have used over here, and this is working perfectly. So yeah, very impressed with this feature. I will try more over here and let me see what can be possible. That's it from this video. We'll continue over what's new in Tableau 2019.1. We will see the next feature in next video. Thank you.